everyone, so a little bit of a different video. I couldn't resist to buy the Seint Make Up as soon as it was announced that they released it in the UK. So I want to unbox it with you. I haven't looked into it. I don't know if it's the right color or anything. So, and then I want to apply that makeup with you and give you my unbiased feedback. I'm not affiliated with them at all. I just wanted to try it. So just something to be aware of. It does take a little while to get to you. I ordered it on the Monday at about 10:05 and it was launched at 10 o'clock. And I received it, today is Thursday, the week after. So, and it took them a week to just process it, not to ship it. So they shipped it on the Monday after, and it took about 3 days to come to me. But it's the processing that took them a whole week. So just to bear in mind that you will not get your makeup really quickly. It might just be a hiccup, it might just be something, you know, it just launched. They might have to do some work on that. I don't know if it always will be like that or if it's just because it just launched. But just, I want to tell you that. So let me just cover up my address. It comes in this box. And then let's open it up, shall we? The other thing, what happened was that they gave me a tracking number. But when I tried to track it, the website said, we can't track it, this number doesn't exist. So I had no idea when it would come. Anyway, so I have opened it. So let's see what we have here. So we have this and this, and then what I ordered. So what I will do is, this is a sticker here. Can you see that? So what I will do is I will probably cut these out and stick it into my palette. So that's the palette I chose. So obviously it comes in different sizes. It's really pretty. So I chose that one. It's an 8 palette one. So you have a mirror. You have the first layer and then the second layer. It's really well done. There are different designs, different sizes, but I think I ordered 5 different things, and I want to have enough space to put them in, but also to add more in. The highlight, etc., whatever they are called, they come in this little pouch bag, which I wasn't aware of, so that's nice. And then, so this one is Bella, which is the bronzer. Then I have Candlelit, which is a highlight. And this is Sunlit, which is also highlight, but I think I was recommended that as a color corrector. And then this is Cedar, which is my contouring color. So it tells you at the back there. That's the front and that's the back. And then Linen, which is another highlight color. I need to look up which one of these was my main shade, etc. Oh yeah, I got a free gift, which is, it's called Pressed Pigment. I guess it's an eyeshadow, which is Baker Street. So I got that as well. So I love the palette. I didn't buy any brushes from them because, quite frankly, I haven't got 40 something quid for a brush. I will have to just try it with my own brushes. I don't know if that will make a difference or not. Who knows? Anyway, so let me just pop this all in here. So I think I start with all my highlight colors. So you just, it's really easy. So you just move it out. Now I want to keep these. Anyone has any suggestion what to do with this? Because it's such a shame to throw them out. So there's a little bit of bubbling here. I think it's because it might be really, because it's really cold, it's January. There isn't much here. It's very thin and it's not very big. And these are £17, which is way more than you would pay in the US. I think it's $16 over there, one of these. I just hope they last me. I mean, it says it should last you like 3 months. We will see. It says it's highly pigmented, so it should last you longer. So let me put that in. Oh yeah. And it clips into it really nicely because it's magnetic. Right, let me do the next highlight color, which is Candlelight. So that's the darker one. So I guess that's my, or Candlelit, sorry, which is probably my main color. So I haven't decided in which order I'm going to apply them. So I might have to change the order and how I put them in here. Because I watched so many tutorials and everybody does it slightly different, how they apply it. I think we just all have to find our way with it. And then Sunlit is my color corrector. Now, I'm not sure I will use it much. I will put it just in the bottom. So it's quite a yellow kind of color. So the other thing is I have no idea if I've been color matched right as well. It does look, that main color looks quite dark. We will see. I am very excited, I have to say. And I have that and that. And then I have Cedar, which is my contour. I might start with a contour, I'm not sure. So I will just pop that on this side here. And then I have Bella, which is my bronzer. So there is my palette. So that's the contour, the bronzer, my main color, and the highlight color. And then here I have my color corrector, which is not the demi one. I said I just recommended another highlight color. So, and might as well open my free present that I got and add that to that as well. So, I would like, if I like this makeup, I would like to add more to it, like lip and cheek. But it's only so much I can afford. And that's the eyeshadow that I got for free, which I don't think is cream. But anyway, so I have it all ready to go. I will cut it out and stick it on the tops here, so I get used to which one is. I mean, I think I keep one of those for sure to get these back out, so you can just get in there like that, and then I can have a quick look just to double check, yeah, what it is, and pop that back in. That's my unboxing of the Seint makeup. Let's apply it.